Hello subscribers and viewers, today we will see list tag in HTML. So first you should know what is list tag, why we need to use list tag in HTML. Okay, so list tag represent many items in orderly arrangement. Means by using list tag you can arrange the list of elements in orderly manner, in proper manner. Okay, so for example you can arrange the elements like this. So here in this slide we have arranged some fruits name like mango, apple, banana, orange in particular order like 1, 2, 3. Here 1 means it represents first element, second, third, fourth. So like that. So by using list tag you can arrange the element list wise so that you can observe the elements clearly. Okay. So we have two types of list tag, order and unorder. First we will see order. You should know this statement. It is known as numbered list. Number list means if suppose you are adding 4 elements or 4 items, then it will produce the number like 1, 2, 3, 4. In place of these number you can also produce alphabets A, B, C, D. You can also produce the Roman number also. So that is the order list, because we use the numbers, alphabets or Roman number for displaying list of atoms. Okay. So here these are the attributes of order list. So while using the list tag you may have two kinds of attribute. First attribute name is type and its values are like that. If you use the type value A, means here in place of 1, 2, 3, 4 you will get A, B, C, D. If you use capital A, it will treat like capital A, capital B, capital C and D. Mean in place of 1, 2, 3, 4 you will get A, B, C, D. Here capital I means Roman I, capital Roman I, capital Roman I 2. Here 3, 4 means capital letters. Here small I means it will indicate Roman number but in small letter like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here numerical 1, it's very easy, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So in this way you can use all these types value. Finally start equal to 3. It must have numeric value only. You cannot use alphabets or any other. So start value can be like that. It's you may use from 2, 3 up to so on. If suppose you use the statement like this, type equal to A means it will show the list of elements. For showing list of element in place of number it will use the alphabets like A, B, C, D. But if you write start equal to 3 then it will start from the third alphabet from C. Means it will start from C then D, E, F like that. If you use the second one start 1 and type 1 means for showing list of atom it will use the numbers, and start equal to 3 means it will start from 3. Means in place of starting from 1 your elements will start from 3. Okay. So this is the order list and you may use the two kinds of attribute, type and start. We will see in the notepad also so that you will easily understand. Then finally unordered list. If you understood order list you can easily understand unordered list. Okay. In unordered list in place of using numbers or alphabets we use some symbols for representing list of atoms. Okay, means this list is also known as unnumbered or bullet list. Okay, and is having the attributes like disc, square, circle. Means in place of circle you can use the square symbol. Okay, so here we have the type attribute, but here in this type we don't have the start attribute because we are using the symbol. So you have only one attribute, that is the type. Now we will type the code in notepad so that you will easily understand. So this is notepad. As usual I use HTML, closing HTML, body, closing body. You are already aware. Now I am using order list because list having two types. So first I will use order list. For using order list, you simply use OL tag. Then closing OL tag. How you can close this? By using this symbol. Closing OL. It will represent list is order list. For adding list of elements, simply use li tag. It is empty tag. Suppose you add first name mango. Okay. So I just copy this. Adding one more. Second fruit name is suppose. You can add anything here, no problem. So in this way, I added 3 items, mango, banana and apple. Okay. And here OL means it will show list of element. So just save as. Here I am giving name. Suppose list dot html, and here you should select all file and save. Now I minimize. This is my file. Here we are going to observe what kind of output we are getting. Minimize this, changing the size so that we can observe carefully. By default you are getting 1, 2, 3. And this is our coding. I didn't use type attribute. So by default it is taking number list like 1, 2, 3. So here suppose I am writing type equals to 1. So there will be no problem. File, save. So you will get the same output. If you use this or not, you will get same. Suppose I write type A. File, save. Now you are getting ABC. Understood? So in this way you can use Roman numbers. File, save. You are getting Roman numbers. So it's very simple, not difficult. Now we are using start attribute. Suppose for understanding I am using 1. Then start equals to suppose 5. Means the number will start from 5 in place of 1. Type equal to 1 means it will show the numbering 1, 2, 3. But it will start from 5. Just hit on save. Once again. Now you see it is starting from 5. So in this way you can use other also. Suppose A. So it will start from 5th alphabet. File, save. So you see it is starting from 5th alphabet. So in this way you can use the OL tag. You can add many elements. You can play with the type and start attribute. You will understand easily. And after that we are seeing this is the order list. Okay. After that we will see unordered list means bullets element. So where you will do changes, friend. In place of OL, you simply type UL means unordered list. Okay. Here you do changes. In place of OL, you type closing UL tag. Remaining will be near about same, but here type equal to. In presentation, we had seen we have only type. We don't have the start in unordered list. Okay. This was our presentation. We have only type, we don't have the start, and you can use dx, circle and square. These two having same kind of value. It will produce circle and square. So type equals to circle. You can use other values also, whatever I mentioned. File, save. Now you see it is showing bullets. Okay. So like that you can use. So unordered list you can easily understand, no problem. The main is order list because you have two attribute, type and start. So you should play with type and start attribute. you practice in Notepad, simultaneously check the output, and I hope if you practice properly, you will easily understand. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.